Hi, welcome to Turner Investment. So glad to have you all part of our teamwork program. This is just to give you some information on how you're going to find these leads that is going to lead to you getting paid. Okay, let's go. So the criteria that I am looking for is 3 bedrooms or more, 1 bathroom or more, property built within the past 20, 30 years. The older the better. Owners that do not live at the home, the further the better. Even if they stay in the same state, that's still okay. But the further they stay, the better, okay? The more motivated they will be, the further they live from the home. The price range that I'm searching for is properties that have a market retail value between 80,000 to say 130, 140,000. If the property has that much market value and the owner is motivated, then that would be a good deal. Okay, so you're probably asking yourself, well, Brandy, how can I find these leads? Well, the way you find the leads is, let's say you're driving to work, and instead of going the way you normally go, you maybe leave a little bit earlier and take a different route. And you're looking for properties on your block or in your neighborhood that you can tell are vacant. They're maybe distressed, have high grass, some boarded up windows. And you'll write down that address, maybe take a quick picture of the home. You can go online to your county website and search the address, and it will give you the owner's information. You can take that owner's information to, yellow pages, white pages, and just search that owner's name, get their phone number, call them up, complete one of the property sheets that I'm going to send you, and you would have qualified that lead. And that qualified lead means the seller is motivated. And if the seller is motivated, then they are more likely to sell their property, and you're more likely to get paid. And besides, driving for dollars or driving around to, see vacant and distressed properties, other ways that you can find leads are, online systems, online lead generators, or you can also, just look online, sites like Zillow and Trulier, and just, modify your search for sale by owners. Oh, and I almost forgot. The property size should be at least 1,000 square feet or more. The loan to value, I am looking for 0 to maybe 40 to 60%. This is the mortgage that is owed on the home versus the market value of the property. The best type of leads are absentee owned, people that, do not live at the property as their primary residence. Anytime you see any for sale by owner signs, those are likely to be motivated. And also referrals, people you may know, that sort of thing. Those are great ways to find, good motivated sellers. So keep that in mind as well. Finally, the hot areas to focus on are zip codes 27410, 27406, 27407, 27405, 27401, 27282, 27045, 27102, 27050, 27107, 27292, 27360, 27295, and 27299. Thanks.